I'm going to be showing you how to hook up 2 speakers to one device. First, you're going to need to buy a splitter. If you have a splitter lingering around, just use that. Splitters can come in various shapes. So, for example, it could have 2 wires coming out and it could have the splitter on each end coming to one, or it could look like this thing, or it could be a triangle. As long as it's got 3.5 female to a 2.5 male. So you're going to need 2 3.5 male to male wires. So one can go in the Bob Marley speaker, well, as I'm just using those as demonstrations, which it is a Bob Marley speaker, and the water speakers. And you're going to plug it into your 3.5 female splitter, and then you're going to put it into your iPads, and then you're going to play some music. I'm going to be doing some clips. So that's it. So if this worked for you guys, yeah, enjoy.
It's like old times.